I'll get back to that knife thing series, but I want to try something different for a good review. This is a jar opener. Opens jars. With all this pandemic stuff, I think that you should have this in your bug out bag, or in your kitchen. It helps open jars. So I have to see like this. See, easy. If you notice, you can screw it back on like this too. I would recommend this for your bug out bag in your survival kits, even your pandemic kit, even your kitchen. It slides. I got mine at Aldi's. I mean, you can open any jar or can you want. A jar you want. Everybody has a can opener bug out bag. They don't have a jar opener. It'll save you a lot more time. So, this is my review on it. So, this is wherever in the world you are. You have a good day or good night. Bye.